So, the wonderful. So, guys, if you guys watching Wonderful Thing, as you see, I'm gonna start building computers. See my computer relation builder or guy? As you can see, this is an HP Pavilion A1547C. Yeah. Feature. It may have the Intel Pentium 4 sticker. The outside. Well, I'm currently working on this computer. So for real. Right here's the real actual processor. As you can see, it has a Intel Core i3. You can't see that very well because my camera's in pretty bad quality. Well, anyways. No, it actually does. You might think this is old from like 2005 or 6 or possibly even 7. Like 2000, more likely 2005 or 2006 or 2005. Well, Andrew Thompson, 4 C's up. Well, now I'm gonna preview the instant. Well, as you can see. As you can see, I have 2 optical drives. And I put a new power supply and put a new stuff, and I'm trying to put like a new SSD in here. See, I put 2 optical disk drives. Both optical disk drives are installed. Trying to make this the perfect kind of computer. Well, at least you can see how I build. And as you can see on the back, there's like oh yeah, I moved those stickers. Well, it didn't really have the Intel Pentium 4 HD technology sticker. I just added that on there. Well, later I'm gonna add like a Windows Vista sticker here. What will I add? Like right here. I don't know if I'm gonna add a sticker. I might not add any sticker. I put these screws on here. I screwed the power supply on. And it fits perfectly fine. It's one of these nice power supplies, these modern tech power supplies. It's got the nice Intel Core i3 processor inside. Right now I'm using one of these kind of laptop hard drives because I don't have a desktop hard drive. I'll get a desktop hard drive for this one day. I'm gonna try to like maintenance the because I'm trying to maintenance this computer. I'm gonna put like a graphics card in here and a SSD and RAM. Yes, and I'm gonna replace that laptop hard drive with a better for desktop hard drive. Or am I Yes, because I'm gonna upgrade. Oh, right. Oh, right. The Preserio's hard drive did not really come with. Did not come with the status port. I might have to get a whole new hard drive. One thing or not, Johnson Road. One and go Europe. See how California does. That's how you build the HP Pavilion desktop into something super mass. See this little crack? I'm gonna super glue this one day. I need to see me out. Well, it does not. See, there's a little dent because I accidentally dropped the case. Well, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna eventually I'm gonna fix that. Well, here's a preview. It was once, it had an AMD Athlon 64, it had XP Media Center Edition. Well, it doesn't have any of that now. Doesn't have any of that stuff now, because now it's been upgraded. I upgraded the power supply, I upgraded the motherboard, I upgraded an Intel Core, nice new newer modern Intel Core processor, got a new power supply. I would support Windows 10. And guess what I found? Guess what I turned a computer into a... So these will be... Later on you'll see I'll be selling computers like these cases. Because these are cases that need... Because these are nice cases. Trust me, I don't want anything happening to these cases. They're nice and cool. Don't... Now, if I'm saying... I don't expect computers being thrown in the trash in the first place. Don't throw computers in the trash. Like, build them. Like, if you ever get a new computer, you don't want your old case, you can, like, deliver them to me. Instead of just throwing them in the trash, you could just deliver them to me, and you could throw what's bad in the trash. Well, you could deliver the case to me if you... One thing is, if you know computers can be built within many different ways. Within this way, that's why you get computers. If you have like old computers like these, then next you might want to do is like have old stuff. If you're ever looking for things, one thing is you have HP Pavilion Desktop. Yes, HP Pavilion Desktop as your simulation. Always known if you build your HP Pavilion. And that's your one thing, is know you build an HP Pavilion. That may be it for the HP Pavilion talk. You had, hey, well, anyways, that's how you want to do with computers more than just throw them away. What is happening, Did I tell you? Hey. You're up, Tom. Hey. Well. Up. That's what it looked. Simi Valley. Next year up. Simi Valley. 5. Well, anyways, end off the video. You guys enjoyed it? Have fun. Make sure to put a link in my description. Okay, bye. Why is it? I just want normal. Why is it not working? Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, anyways, bye.